Hello friends, I am Lashmikant Kapgate. Today I will tell you how to create Google link and how to conduct or how to arrange your setup with Google Meet on Google platform. And we will also learn how to record your meeting, how to share your PPTs, how to share your whiteboard or images, and how to make your presentation or class very entertaining or interesting to your student. So let's begin. First, you need to log in with your Gmail credential. So my credential is already logged in. So let's see how to go to enjoy the Google Meet. I can go to the Google browser and I can search like this, or as you see these three dots that refers to the Google application, you can click on this uh, nine dots and you can find the various applications like this Google Meet. So it is better I can go and search on this Google browser. It will take you, or it will that will direct you to the official website where I can find the official page. And as soon as you enter on this page, you will find two important options, that is new meeting and the enter code of a meeting or of a class. It means that suppose your friend has arranged a class for you and he wanted you or he wants you to join the class, so he will share the class code with you, so you can enter. As you enter the class code, the join button will be activated. So I'm not going to join with the help of code. Instead of, I'm going to start a new meeting with the help of this option, new meeting. So you can find the three options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So I am going to start instant meeting here. Now see, it's very important. Now my setup is already done and I can decorate my class with various options. Now I don't want to record my video or show my video, so close that. Then this is mic, so through this mic you can record your audio too. Then whatever you are speaking, if you want that, this caption system is available here, so you can enable or you can disable also. It means that your student can read whatever you are speaking or what kind of pronunciation, because most of the times they fail to understand the words. So this option is very useful for this. Then you can go to this present option, but before that let me introduce few features. This is where you can find the list of the participants. Now I am the only one is present in this class. You can add with the help of this button through email. Now see, these are the various emails which are already present in my inbox or the email inbox, so automatically that Google detected. Then you can chat directly with your student in the online class. So this option is very helpful as you use in the future. Then go to these three dots where you can find whiteboard, change layout. Layout means what? You can change the size of the screen or the tiles on the screen, right? Suppose I want this, so the after joining the class, the student's picture or the size of the tiles will be different, but I don't want to change that. Okay, then you go to the another option, that is full screen, change the layout. All these things are very easy, there is no need to explain more in detail. Now before that, how to record your screen? For that, my dear friend, this recording facility is available in Zoom, in WebEx, in Skype, in Microsoft Teams, but in Google Meet it is not available. It is available for Google Suite, right? But we are using the basic version or the Google account where it is not given to us. For that you need to purchase the business standard prices or the plans to record your meetings. But another important way to record your screen is that for that you have to do that, start just go to Google browser and type that screen recorder for Chrome. So here you can find there is a long list of the screen recorders, but I am going to select the Screencastify screen recorder, right? So this is an extension where it says that remove from Chrome, means I have already given extension to this Chrome. Let me remove first so you will understand. Now see this add to Chrome. Now see I'm going to add this. Yes, add extension. This icon will be shown to this list, right? Okay, just we will wait for a second. It is available. Now see this icon is here. Let me pin this so it is visible now, right? So now this option is over. Let me click on this so recording options will be available for you. This is I'm doing for the first time, so some features you need to activate or you need to give permission to this software, right? So this kind of button will be available for you. You can either record the browsers tab or desktop or only webcam and click on this button. If you don't want to or if you want to stop the recording, you can click on the this button also. So this is another way to record your meeting. Or as I talked about the G Suite, right? So let's see, record Google Meet, right? You can record with the extension or you can record with the G Suite application also. Now see, this video is available or uploaded by the Google on the web. Let me show you, then you will understand how to enjoy this feature. Yes, yes my dear friends, this is how you can understand and enjoy the this feature. Let me talk about another feature that is present here, that is Whiteboard. This feature is very helpful for the teacher, those who are planning to teach online to their student. So let me enjoy this. I'm going to work on this. So here Whiteboard is available for you, and various options, means various pens, pencils, marker, highlighters, images, erasers are available in this Whiteboard. Even you can change the background of your whiteboard like this. You can if you don't want the only white, you can use the color whiteboard or the board for your writing, and you can write with the help of different colors. Suppose if you want to write something, you can write like this, right? And you can erase also with the help of this eraser, right? And suppose you are not satisfied with the, or you need to work on another slide, so you can change by clicking on this button. So this is very interesting feature. Again, you can enjoy the circle if you are teaching math or any any topic or any subject. Then another important feature is that suppose I am teaching literature and I want to talk about William Shakespeare and the photo is not available. So what should I do? You can drag and drop here. Otherwise you can collect from Google Photos, Google Drives, or you can search directly on the Google like this, right? So now the photo of William Shakespeare is available on my whiteboard, right? I can zoom it. This way you can create your class very interesting in this online teaching mode, right? So this feature I like very most in this case. then you can share the details of your meeting with the help of this meeting option. And another thing is that you can pin, you can silent, or you can do lots of things with the help of this Google Meet. So I hope, my dear friends, you love this application. You can also download in your mobile phone from the Google Play Store, as well as you can install that application on your desktop also. So if you are watching this video for the first time, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.